Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Lara Tips. So first of all, I'd like to congratulate both of us that now we have reached 1000 subscribers. So that's a huge number of people. So thank you very much guys and congratulations at the same time for all of you guys and for me as well, because it's not only me that I'm only making the videos, but you guys are watching it and giving lots of love and support. So because of that also we have reached now to 1000 subscribers. So thank you very much. So if you keep supporting and loving, then we'll be adding more good quality content in this channel. So please keep loving and supporting. Also, in any one of the videos, if you don't like the way that I am doing things, so you can comment on that video and say that it is wrong or it is right, so that I can improve, and I'll also give my feedbacks so that you can improve. So let's make it a good place for sharing our ideas. So let's make it a place to share our ideas with each other. So thank you for your love and support guys. So now without any further ado, let's begin the video. So in our previous video we made the creating of the article, so we can add a new article here and we can save it. And now in this video we'll be editing the article. Okay, so now if we click on this edit icon, it will take us to this categories, edit category, because we copied all the code from categories, so it is taking us to the category edit page. So now if we go here and see in the code here, so this is articles controller, and if we go here in the edit section, it is showing us the category create. So let us change that. So let us first make this article, and also let us copy from here. Okay, so now let me add it here, and here edit will be true, and in this article we'll pass article object, and this will be the same thing over here, and here it will be articles like this. So we have changed this edit part. Okay, now if I come here and refresh, now you will see that we are in the edit article page. So here we can see this image. So currently the article is not visible, so we'll see what the issue is. So we have here title, slug, and the description part is not showing. Okay, now we are successfully in the article edit page. Now let's see what is happening over here. Okay, so let me open the console over here. So there are no any errors, which means that the data is not being passed. So let's see here what is the case inside the create component. So inside the articles data, so here we don't have this category ID and this description. So now let us go to the article resource and pass that. Also let me increase the font size here. So now here inside the article resource, so let me duplicate this, and here let me pass the category ID and also the description. So I am using this when here because so if a category ID is passed, then only it will be passed to this response. Okay, otherwise it will not be passed from here. So now you can see here the category is also selected and this description is also present here now. So here the category is AUSED, which is the second one. So now we have successfully done this edit part. Now let us look into this update part. So whenever we click on this save, now it should update this. Okay, so now if we go here in this articles controller here, so here update part, so all this code is for the category. So I'll remove it, and I have already done this thing. So I'll copy and paste the code and I'll explain you. Okay guys, I have pasted the code here. So this is the validation. I am just validating the category, title, slug, image, and description over here. So it is the simple validation. Also here I'm looking at if there is image being passed from here. So if the image is being passed, then we'll delete the old image, this one, and we'll upload the new one. Okay, and then we'll save the data and return this article index. Okay, so this is the case here. Now if I change this image from here, so this is Laravel API and view photo here. So now here if I add this 22 one, okay, number 22, and let's say here, let me remove that 2 and also remove this W from here. and let me hit on the save. So you can see here that 2 is gone from here, and you can see here the new image is also here, and the description is also changed. So everything is working fine. Also, let us look at this image inside our code here in the storage. So here, if you go here in the public storage articles, so we can see here there is only one image, which means that the old image was deleted and only this image is available here. Okay, so all this is happening because we did this articles delete image, which we have created in our previous videos. So which we can see here in this part. Also in our previous video there was a thing that we needed to do here. So this part, delete the image part. So for this we can simply copy this and paste it over here. So we'll first delete the image and then delete the article. Okay, so now here let me go back to the articles, and now if I click on delete here and delete the article, it should delete the image as well. So now if I go here, and if I go here in the public storage and articles, you can see here there is no any images over here, which means that everything is working fine. So now we have successfully completed the editing or updating part of these articles as well. So as I have mentioned in my previous video, so the things are being duplicated here, the code are being duplicated, which we'll be refactoring in our next video. Okay, but I'll just be saying you what we will be doing in the next video. So here in the articles, so I have already explained about this in my previous video, but again I'll be explaining you. Okay, so this article model, and now let me go to settings here. So it is already here, settings model. So here the delete image code, okay, this is being duplicated over here, and this image URL part. So if we see here, all these look similar, yeah, so the code is similar here. So image related part, so these kind of things are being duplicated. So we just copied this from settings and pasted in these articles, and we did our work and everything is working fine, but the code is duplicated. Now as a developer we need to think it twice, because whenever we duplicate the code, will add more burden to us. Because let's say when deleting an image we had to change something over here, then we have to again go in this delete image method on another model, and we have to again change it here. So we have to avoid this, and we'll be refactoring it, and we'll be using threads and contracts for this. So by saying contracts, I meant interface. So that's it for this video, guys. Again, thank you for your all love and support, and now we have reached 1K subscribers, and the next target is 10K. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.